Ever look in the mirror and think, why does my skin look so tired, dull, and rough? What if I told you that you can get glass-like radiant skin naturally in just 10 minutes a day without any expensive creams, serums, or filters? Yes, it's possible, and it's not magic. This is science. Your skin renews itself every 28 days, and with the right routine, you can literally reset your skin and confidence. Step 1. Morning. Reset, hydration, and detox. Start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon. Optional. Add a pinch of salt or a few mint leaves. Why it works: flushes toxins from your liver, boosts digestion, improves blood circulation, which directly affects skin glow. Pro tip: drink this before breakfast and avoid checking your phone. Give your body a moment to reset. Within 7 to 10 days, you'll notice less redness, reduced oiliness. Your skin naturally starts to look healthier. Step 2. Micro massage for circulation. Before showering, spend 2 to 3 minutes massaging your face. Focus on cheeks, forehead, jawline. This increases blood flow, reduces puffiness, and gives an instant refreshed look. Pro tip: freeze green tea or cucumber ice cubes and gently rub them on your face. Shrinks pores, tightens skin, gives a smooth, glassy finish. Step 3. Gentle natural exfoliation. Skip harsh chemical scrubs. Use simple ingredients at home: yogurt, plus honey oatmeal, plus rose water. How to: massage gently for 30 to 60 seconds, rinse with lukewarm water. Benefits: removes dead skin cells, evens skin tone, boosts natural glow. Small details matter. Don't forget neck, ears, and hairline. Dead skin collects there too. Step 4. Hydration and sun protection. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Eat water. Rich foods like cucumber, watermelon, or oranges. Apply lightweight moisturizer or aloe gel. Always use sunscreen, even indoors. Healthy hydration equals plump skin, equals natural reflectivity, equals glass skin. Step 5. Sleep and stress management. Nothing replaces good sleep. 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. Repairs skin cells. Collagen production increases. Redness and inflammation reduce. Add 20 minutes of meditation or light exercise daily. Calm mind, calm skin, effortless glow. Glass skin isn't about filters, expensive serums, or quick fixes. It's built through small, consistent daily habits. Follow this routine for 28 days, and the mirror will show you not just clear skin, but confidence, discipline, and self-respect. Comment: I'm starting my 28-day glow challenge. Like if you're ready to glow naturally. No shortcuts, no excuses.